A few months ago, while I was visiting Portland, Maine, I came across this little donut shop, and they had a line wrapped around the block. I thought to myself, how good could these donuts be? I later found out that these just weren't run-of-your-mill donuts. They were potato donuts, and they were addictive. So if you're ready, let me show you how to make my newfound treat. We start by creaming some butter and sugar until it's fluffy. To that, we add an egg and a touch of vanilla. Now, for what makes these truly unique, we add some freshly mashed potatoes, along with some buttermilk. Once it's smooth, we add our dry ingredients and mix it just to the point where our dough comes together. After flattening this to about a ½ inch thick, we cut out our donut shapes using a drinking glass and the cap from a water bottle, or easier yet, a donut cutter if you have one. We fry them for a few minutes until they puff up and are golden. Then we drain them on a wire rack. After they cool, spoon on a simple powdered sugar glaze and finish them off with anything from mini chocolate chips to sprinkles. To get the recipe for our old-fashioned potato donuts, like the ones I got in Maine, simply visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a pleasantly surprising way for you to say, "Ooh, it's so good."